Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is tutorial series number 14 here in Maharlikans code. Okay, we will try to test our WebAssembly guys with our production server there, which is the Ubuntu OS, and then of course we need to test this because this one is a fully secured site there now by securing this by using this cert boot, which is the free HTTPS. But now we need to test in our production site first, which is considered our web development site over there, so that we can test further, guys, in our Linode production server there, and then we will test before we test further. Before we are comfortable to use this Golang WebAssembly. I know it's comfortable, guys, but we would like to test further first for you guys out there, that we need to, because this is quite new technology. We need to test further, and then we will do if it is really working in our same with our Windows OS here, our development laptop, and then we can try with our Ubuntu OS there as our production server. Let's see if how this WebAssembly works there, or is it really working or not. we do not know. Yeah, so we need to test first. Okay guys, let's dive into this tutorial. Okay, welcome back to our channel. Okay, let's go and dive into this tutorial, guys. This is our maharlikanscode.com. So we would like to replace this, as you can see that when we view source first, guys. So let's have a look first. As you can see, our famous Ajax or JavaScript are still here. These are all the login, all these logics here, guys. So we don't want this anymore in our production site as well. So we would like to replace it with the WebAssembly. Let's see how the WebAssembly for Golang, guys, it behaves in this Ubuntu OS. And then I know it's regardless of the OS, but we would like to further test first, guys. So okay, so we will replace this, and then with our WebAssembly, and then we would like to upload this by using our what they call this FileZilla. Okay, this is our previous project here, so we would like to run this, and then I think have some few changes to our here, our auth.go, and then we would like to replace it, and then I think this one for our HTML, we have done this something like here in front. Okay, so we are adding this we added this login HTML, but this one we don't want this anymore, guys, so we just remove. Okay, so we upload this login, and then we would like to retain the previous one, but this one is our WASM, guys, so we probably later we will just remove this. Okay, and then what else that we have done? The changes is here, so we will the main.auth. Okay, so we need to create the new WASM folder as well. So probably I would like to upload directly. Hold on, guys. This one is the WASM folder here, so I will just upload here. Okay, and then okay, this is our thing, and then our auth, so we don't have yet because we need to generate, guys. So what we can do now is this WASM here, then the auth. So we have already the WASM folder, and then auth. This invoice probably we can just, this is our example, guys, so we just want to remove this. This one is no longer necessary at the moment. We can add multiple folder here in our next when we grow our project, guys. So all your WASM logics should be here. Okay, so here main.go, so our main.go is here as well. Okay, So we would like to test this, and then the footer front. Yeah, we have some changes here as well. So okay, and then the JS. Okay, we would like to upload this JS also, guys. Hold on for a while. So the JS is here, and then we will come to our static as well. Static folder assets, then the JS. Yes, you need to upload this, guys. Okay, so the auth also there. So later we will generate again for the binary, guys, because for Go in the Ubuntu side, in the Linux OS is a different kind of a binary, guys. So we would like to we will test first, guys. Okay, so I think I have here the thing, but let's see if it is working, guys, when we build from our Windows OS as well. So we will just try to test first. Okay, after this, the layout, and then the header. Okay, okay, so we need to change this. We just want to update all, guys, because we forgot it when we done the modification. Okay, so we'll just try. Okay, done. So we would like to run again from our Linux here. So let's see, it's go run main.go. Let's see if we will run again. Run our web server. Hold on for a while, guys. I think it will take time. Oh, now it's okay. Okay, so we would like to, this one is still okay because this one is the older one. I need to open for another page here just to differentiate, guys. Just want to see the login here. So this is our login page where our WASM located. So we need to check the WASM there. I think it's different. Okay, there is some error here, guys, so we need to check further. Okay, I think here, no. Okay, the WASM file there, assets. Yeah, I think this one is a different kind of thing, guys. So I think it's the OS is a different one. So we need to test for, we need to build, specially build for the what do you call this, Linux OS, guys. So hold on for a while. I think we need to end this and then we clear again. We'll try to navigate first from, I need to check the location, guys. The auth.wasm here. So I would like to navigate to this folder. Okay, cd, and then we are already in the web, cd wasm, and then auth. So I need to set based on our thing, guys, we need to set as a OS here, set GOOS is equal to JS, set GOARCH is equal to WASM. Okay, then we need to go build, then O, and then we name this as a auth.wasm, and then from the main.go original Go script. So let's see, exclude all Go files from the, okay, we need to check again, guys. So okay, guys, I think we will take a look on this tutorial again here from Golang GitHub page, official GitHub for Golang, guys. So we need to check here. The main thing is for the Linux OS, we need to do exactly this kind of building, guys. For remember that when we have done the Windows building, guys, we initially set what you call this, set like this, guys, like individual, as what I did early on. This is a JS like this, set JS, and then set GOOS is equal to WASM, But for the Linux kind of OS, guys, you can build straight away like this, guys. So we can just try to do this, and let's see what will happen. We will try to build from this this exact folder here, guys, because right now we are navigating to this current location is for this go web wasm auth, which is exactly the same here, but right now we don't have the wasm yet, so we would like to build it from here. So this is the main thing, guys. So we would like to follow exactly what they are telling here. Again, guys, we need to repeat again ourselves. These examples, most likely, most of the examples we are found most especially here in Golang's WebAssembly tutorial here in GitHub. Normally they will just issue with the with Linux OS. Okay, so but for Windows, you can take a look on my previous video, guys, because that one is you need to set manually. Okay, so oops, my Linode session gone again. Okay, hold on for a while. So we need to do this, guys, and then straight away you can just copy over as well, but I need to do something here first. Okay, my file name is different, so although it's exactly the same, guys, no need to set the command for the setting, guys, or like a set for like that for Windows. But right now in Linux OS is quite straightforward, guys. So you can just execute these two settings here, like the GOOS is equal to JS and GOARCH is equal to WASM in one line of command, guys. So we need to go build here, and then same thing, small letter O as orange, then auth.wasm. Okay, auth.wasm, and then main u. Okay, main.go. Okay, guys, so just leave it for a while. Just continue typing, guys, because this one we have some very limited space for this list here. So just after you type in, or if you have a notepad, then exactly you can just or any notes there, you can just copy over and then paste here in the command line, then it will do. Okay, I will try to enter now. Okay, now no error, guys. So as what we have seen in a previous in a short while. Okay, when I refresh, there is a auth.wasm file here exactly. So this is what we want, guys. So it will work on this kind of command, guys. Straight away you can just go build exactly the same, guys. So okay, so what we can do now is we need to move this file to here, guys, in our auth.js. So because we want to publicly access this wasm file. Okay, so just hold on for a while. I think it's a failure. Hold on. Okay, let's try again. I think it cannot, guys. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, so still not working one. So we would like to try here again, guys. So hold on for a while. Need to double check these things. Okay, so we will continue, guys. So that one we cannot just simply drag and drop here, guys, because that one is a binary something file, something like that kind of a file. Then our FileZilla is actually preventing that to move around to another certain folder directory, guys. So what we can do is we will try to build directly, guys, using this path. Right now we are here in this directory here, so we are under this go web wasm auth. Okay, so we would like to instead of throwing the file directly here, guys, so we would like to throw directly here, guys. So we need this path thing, guys. So this is the exact path, guys, instead of using this. But right now we need to throw directly to the exact location that we desire to throw this file, guys, or this whatever it generates the wasm file. We will throw directly to this folder that we desire to throw it here. Okay, so under this public HTML static, then assets js, and then the auth folder. Okay, so instead we will copy this because it's quite long, guys. We cannot memorize here from these things because there is some limitation there. We are still in this go web app wasm and then auth directory, so we would like to paste it here directly, guys. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so no error is good. It's a good indicator. So we will take a look. It will take a few seconds, guys. Okay, now it's very good. Then we can actually we can throw now directly the file, guys, instead of just copying files and what we have done in Windows there. I think for the Windows I tried, but still not working. Maybe we will try a few in our next discussion, guys. So we will play around with that, or if you know already, then you can just comment down below, guys. Okay, so we have this wasm file now, and then the file is there, so totally executed one. We need to go back to this thing, go cd. Okay, so we need to go back to the root of our project, guys. Okay, so that we can run main.go here again. So let's see if our wasm file will run or served by the browser there or not. So let's see if oops, there's some error again. This is the best way for testing, guys. This is the life of the developer, is it? Okay, so we have some problem here. This one is like uncaught. So okay, this is something like a JavaScript, guys. So we would like to, it's some kind of I cannot find this application wasm as a mimi type. This one we need to include in our Nginx, guys, because this one is not found in our Nginx. The default mimi types for the Nginx is I think we don't have this kind of wasm there, because this one is a quite new one. Okay, so what we can do is we need to download our Nginx here. So we would like to hold on, guys, we need to look for the Nginx and then look for the mimi types here. Okay, so we would like to download this mimi type here. So let's see if we can find this Nginx, this mimi type here. So we can search. This is the mimi type, guys, not under the sites available. It's all in the root directory of this Nginx. Then we will try to search for the wasm there. We cannot find the wasm. So this is the thing, guys. We cannot serve this this error, guys. So okay. So okay, guys, we would like to copy this thing, application, then wasm, and then we open our thing here, guys. We will just add here our wasm, guys, because when we search this, we cannot find the wasm there. So we would like to add this probably at the end of this probably the end of this one, guys. So we can try here application and then wasm, and then we will add here something like a wasm as well, guys. So and then we just follow over the syntax here for the Nginx mimi types, guys. So because we are using the mimi types for the Nginx, we are serving our pages using this what do you call this, Nginx. So let's see if it works, guys. So we can we added here because we don't see the thing. So if you found this kind of error, guys, so probably your web server, it's either an Apache web server, but I think the Apache there is they already added, but for the Nginx The default installation is we don't have, but we can always add this and include this, guys. So no worries about this. So we will try to upload from our Nginx here. Let's see, because we have some changes to our Mimi types under this Nginx. So we would like to upload ready, guys. So we would like to end this first, and let's see, we will clear and then so timing. Okay, so we will try again, launch, because if the no activity something, guys, this is the security or something. Okay, so we would like to, I think I have the previous one. Okay, we need to reload our Nginx server, guys. So we'll just, no error. And then we will try to run again our Golang web server here. Okay, which is the Gorilla Max. We will try to run again, guys. Let's see if any errors coming. Hopefully no. This one is no, this one. Under this maharlikanscode.com/login. So we don't want this error happening, guys. So we'll try to refresh. Wow, great. Then okay, very nice. Okay, so now we can totally serve our WASM file here, guys. Let's see if we can we do some kind of a small testing here, guys. Okay, so the auth.wasm is there. So it's around 562 KB. I think this one when they will when we refresh again, let's see what will happen now. It's a cache already, guys. So it's the first thing only. So in the browser smartly auto cache the wasm as well. So we don't want to worry about the page load time. All our pages will be slowing down, because normally the binaries are very huge, guys. Because when we build something, then it will be huge. So right now we will check further. Okay, so the request, the preview, the response, initiator is a wasm there. Okay, so okay, guys, now it's totally working, guys. No, not yet. It's too active. Okay, so from the this cache, and then okay, so now there's no error. The moment of truth, we would like to test now, guys. This one, as you can see, view source again. Let's see if there is a JavaScript there. Okay, these are all working, guys. These auth.wasm, and then we don't have, as you can see, we don't have a JavaScript here, unlike from the default page here. When we view source, the JavaScript is there, the login form, all this. But for our this thing, the login/login, there is no JavaScript Ajax post here. So we would like to test now, guys. Let's see what will happen. This one we no longer use, so we can just try it. Let's see if it is a blank one, guys, because all our logics there is all in the Golang scripts ready, guys. So we would like to press login. Okay, that's great, guys. That's great, guys. So it's now working, and totally is validating from the backend side. Okay, password as well. So let's see what will happen. Okay, because I never throw anything. So that means all the validation there is intact already, guys. So it will, this sweet alert, the swal is already popping up from our this thing, this what do you call, from this auth here, guys. So we are triggering this swal here if it is empty from our binary there. So our wasm file, it is already username is required, so we are throwing everything. So after all this validation pass, but we just return with nil. Actually, we can return with a login successful. The return by default, these are all actually you can directly redirect to your dashboard or something, guys, after here below. So stay tuned for that, guys, when we deal with our login system there. Okay, so our testing for our web server here from our production side there is totally working also, guys. So the wasm there, if you don't know yet the mimi type there, for if you are using the Nginx, ensure that you have this Nginx here, then you download or modify directly these mimi types here. You can take a look if you have that kind of error, guys, that the application wasm is not found. So probably either your Nginx or your Apache server, then look for the mimi.types there. Actually the Apache 2 or something, they are all the same file name. It's a standard name, guys, so some mimi.types. So you can look for that, and then you add that application / the wasm, then you can reload your web server, and then automatically it will be serving the what they call this application wasm. So we don't have this kind of error anymore. So now our wasm is totally configured and totally working, guys, in our tutorials here in Maharlikans code. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching our tutorial series here in Maharlikans code regarding this web development series. So I hope you enjoy our learning here, guys. These are all totally free knowledge here, and then what they call this okay, so this is just a free knowledge and sharing, guys, because for others they will just let you pay all these things all the advanced one, all these kind, we will learn together, guys, so no worries. That's why we also learning this WebAssembly, and then we already capture how it behaves and how we can do programming for this WebAssembly kind of style, guys. So it's totally different environment, totally kind of different paradigm. So right now we slowly adopt the wasm, the WebAssembly, the power of this the script, the Golang script, the backend script, totally brought directly to the browser there. So now we are totally using this power of this WebAssembly, and then we can work on more of these projects using this WebAssembly. So here in Maharlikans code, guys, you can learn. I would like to share it with you, whatever I studied, and then whatever the knowledge there, I just want to share it here to contribute to our industry, to our especially the students there, or just learning programming language, most especially this Golang. I know most of the languages, guys, but other languages rather like Python, C#, all these things, the Django there, and the .NET. But I preferably use, and for my personal projects, this Golang, because I really like the Go way of style of coding, and very clean and neat, and then you can build faster, and then more robust, and fully tested in the Google's vast networks, and all this kind of thing, guys. So their environment, the ecosystem of Google platform, all these they are all tested. All this is most especially this web server or any kind of Golang product, guys. So these are all the things that we can brought, most especially this WebAssembly now in our web development. This is a new paradigm for web development. So stay tuned for our next discussion here, guys, in Maharlikans code. So we will build a simple kind of login system, a complete login system, so that we can reuse this generic kind of login system that you can log in, forget password, auto notification, password reset, all these things. Then you sign up, then log in. Then after that we can do our dashboard there. So maybe we can have some small chat application or automatic notification in our dashboard there. all using this WebAssembly. So we will do this in this kind of architecture, this for real-time application. So stay tuned for that, guys. So I hope you enjoy our discussion here in Maharlikans code. Leave a comment below if you have something you want to share also. So you can just leave a comment below, guys. So no worries and don't be shy. No, just kidding. Okay, so we will continue in our next discussion, guys. For those people who what do you call this, not yet subscribe, please consider subscribing, guys, so you can have more videos like this. And see you in my next 2-year series here in Maharlikans code. May God bless us all. Thank you and bye bye.